Okay, so welcome back. Okay, so let's talk about burn swap, all right? And let's explain how you can buy, how you can stake, how many days, what's happened last night when it was launched, why all things went south for a couple of hours, and let's go on. Let's explain everything, what you need to know, because we need some updates, we need some videos, we need some guidelines. Before we go on, don't forget that everything what I'm saying is my personal opinion. Just disclaimer, I'm not financial advisor, I'm not your mama and papa. What's mean don't put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything if you never watch any of my video for when I'm spending my money, my crypto money to do donation in the crypto world, in the real world, from the crypto world, in Africa, India and Philippines. I highly recommend go and watch any of my video. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so burn swap. So last night was, so this is like a hex on Binance. Okay, so it was a pre-sale, we got NFTs, we invest into the pre-sale, and then last night was stealth launch. However, it was delayed. It wasn't delayed, it was just 30-40 minutes delay. When they say between 7 and 9, it was like 9:30, something like that. However, it was very sluggy, a little bit buggy and all that stuff. But hey, it is crypto and it's happening all the time. So if you've never been in things like that, that's mean you've never been in crypto. Almost very rare to find a platform to have amazing perfect launch. I'm talking about when you need to claim, when you need to stake and all that stuff. Okay, I'm not talking about miners or just ROI up. This is slightly complex, okay, slightly different. So it was a little bit sluggy, it was more sluggy, so I need to refresh like 5-10 times, but I made it at the end of the day. But so the interesting stuff is that developers, they come today with an amazing message, what giving huge APR. That's why I'm doing this video, so you still have few hours. When if you watch this video today, I'm going to post ASAP. If you watch tomorrow or next day, you missed the chance, the opportunity. Okay, so let's go and let's see what's this about. Okay, so by the way, burn swap is you buy the token, it's like a hex on Binance chain. They're going to have a bridging. You go each time when using the platform, you're burning the token, so the token is deflationary. What's make it very bullish for the long time? You stake, you're making some good APR. It depends, more people stake, less APR you get. If you're between the first one, you get more APR. That's why everybody were bullish last night. Okay, so something like, so that's how is the platform working. Just short updates, but I'm not here to explain the platform. I'm here to explain how we can buy and stake and claim the token. So first, when you go to the platform, let's explain how we can, let's explain the new things first. So if you go to their Telegram group, if you go to the pin message, you will see they come with a big message. They say, all right, so we apologize for the hiccups during the launch yesterday, but don't worry, we have some trolling news. Okay, in addition to announcement yesterday, we want to remind you that the loyal Splash and Quantic holders, they have received airdrops in XBURN. Okay, so we have XBURN, by the way. I'm not sure if you qualified. Okay, so what you can stake them. When you stake XBURN, you're going to claim burn token after you stake them 20, 30, 50 days, whatever you choose, a year, 2 years. Now next one. Moreover, instead of retracting tokens from the liquidity, we have decided to airdrop the additional tokens to pre-sale wallets in XBURN, okay, which can be staked for a minimum of 7 days before you can claim them to the burn tokens. Our initial supply will remain the same, but max supply has increased to 2 trillion tokens. So this is all because of this one. But wait, now to make up for the inconvenience caused, we are offering everyone the opportunity to earn some juicy APR for 12 hours. Okay, so when you watch this video, when I'm going to post this video, will be probably 6-7 hours left, maybe 8. Now, anyone holding BurnSwap NFT, what I'm holding, by the way, if you don't have one, maybe you need to consider to get one, not financial advice, on Binance Chain will receive 900% stake boost from 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. EST time. That's crazy. In addition to the recent updates, we also addressing any glitches. They have some glitches where they're going to try to fix them very, very soon. Okay, and that's normal. We value your support. Thank you so much for everything. Stay positive. Stay tuned. Don't forget there's still 410 and plus NFT left for $100. You can go and get that NFT right here. Okay, so first thing first, when you go to the pre-sale, okay, when you go to the website, here you go enter DApp or claim the pre-sale. So if you go to the claim the pre-sale, Okay, you need to connect. You can see how much they raise. You need to connect, and you will see I contribute 325 bucks. I have some bonus because I have my NFT and I have, this is my token, so you can go and claim them, but I already claimed them. Okay, so there we go. You can see already redeemed. So I redeemed them last night. Once you redeem them, then you go to enter the DApp. When you go to enter the DApp, all right, right here, there we go, you need to connect your wallet. Make sure you're on Binance chain. Okay, make sure it's Binance chain, what is very, very important. Then you can swap if you struggle. So once you're here into the swap, okay, so the best way, what you need to do if you want to swap is to use your BNB, all right? So if you want to use your BNB 0.01, okay, use BNB to swap. That's the easiest at this moment. I think we're going to have much more option later. So you just pick a BNB here, you pick a BURN's token, all right, BURN swap, and then you swaps, okay? So 0.01 BNB is going to give me this one. You just approve and swap, simple as that. Okay, so once you have your token, you need to go and stake. So right here to the top right, go and stake. Make sure you put here my referral address. Okay, that's very, very important. So this will be my referral address right there. So that's very important. Just put that there. I will highly appreciate. Okay, once you import that, so this is very important now to understand. So you can stake your XBURN if you have them right here, or burn. So if you have been airdrop XBURN from couple of other reasons, you can go here, press and use them, and you will see this is my balance XBURN. Now you can go and stake them XBURN. Okay, however, for me, I stake but doesn't show up at the moment. I think it's going to show off. I don't know, maybe it's my computer maybe or something, but you need to, when you stake them, your XBURN tokens, you pick up between 7 days and 500 days. Okay, make sure if you want to use your NFT booster to be able to get that 900% like right here, okay, make sure you only use for, you can only use for one time. Okay, one NFT for one stake. So that's what I did, a big mistake before I do this video. I was playing around and I, by mistake, instead of one more zero here, I press without zero, so I only stake like few bucks using my NFT. So bummer, it's a big bummer, but it is what it is. So you can see here my stakes. Okay, last night I stake and you can see here each time when I was staking, the APR was going down. And make sure you use your NFT for one stake. Okay, so you go all in, don't do like me, so experiment small stake, then you blow up your NFT. You need to buy another NFT so you can do another stake. Okay, so that's XBURN. If you stake XBURN, you can use your NFT for XBURN for 900%, or you can use your NFT for burn tokens up to 900% till the offer is lasting. Okay, after that will be, I think, 186%, what is not still bad at all, but 900 is much better. Now if you want to use it, you need to press here used. Okay, you approved and you stake, you put your tokens. If you stake XBURN, okay, they should show here. For me, I think I did one stake before the video, but still doesn't show. Sometimes just take a few more minutes to show. Should show here somewhere. But when you claim, you're going to claim Burn's token. Okay, so when you claim your XBURN, it will be burn token. Now, how often you're going to claim? Well, once your stake is finished, you're going to claim your stake plus your rewards. Okay, so basically you buy the NFT, you used to get 186% APR, and you stake. Okay, at this moment when I'm doing this video, the APR is 900%. If you have NFT, it's a great offer. Maybe I'll buy one more after the video because I messed up, so I didn't use it properly. Okay, so that's one thing. Now next thing, if you want to stake burn token, okay, I'm not sure why it's here, it's Ethereum, shouldn't be, so it's the same exactly. Burn token, you put your burn tokens, how many you want to stake. Okay, so that's around, it's over $100 this one. So you pick up how many days, between 7 days and 500 days. So you know, I put my stake around 200 days, 130, 189, 268, you know, and then you put here my referral address. Make sure you use my referral, will be in the description, and then you use your booster if you want with today promotion, or if you have if you watch this video after tomorrow or after 5-10 days, you can use, if you have an NFT booster, okay, you can use that for 186% and then approved and stake. Simple as that. Make sure you put some alarm. Once your stake is out, you don't earn any more APR. Okay, so I'm happy for these stakes here. Okay, it's not bad, I'm very happy, and I'm happy for this one, but I just overestimate 268 days. It's slightly longer than expected, but hey, you never know what will be the price appreciation in that time. If you want to use your referral, go here with referral and you will see you can copy your link and you can use for your referral address. Okay, top right. Okay, so that's about it. If you have any question, hit me in my Telegram. I think this guy is going to do a great job. I wish them good luck, and I wish them huge success with this project. I really like the project, how it is, and let's see how it's going to go in the next couple of months or maybe couple of years. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Do whatever you want to do. Till the next one. I do I and you do you. Goodbye.